top 5 AI tools that actually pay you money. I'm going to show you this real quick and how to get started. There are several AI tools that can help you generate income with ease, but today we are only going to focus on 5 websites, so do me a favor and like this video. This will indicate that you want more money. Making strategies. Without further ado, let's get started. First on my list is photoai.com. Right here on photoai.com, as you can see, it says to create beautiful AI photos without using a camera. And as you can see, all those pictures here are AI generated and not actually real. To start earning on the website, you would need to know exactly what it does so that you could deliver it effectively. Basically, what this website does is take photographs. I mean, you don't have to go to a studio for Photoshop anymore. You can even create your own AI character by simply uploading a set of about 30 photos with a diverse range of different backgrounds and different attire. By putting these images into your AI character, you are simply teaching it to recognize and replicate them, and you only need to train your AI character once, which takes about 30 minutes. Going through their features, I must say that this is a go-to app for photo shoots. They have interesting features that would wow your audience. I actually love this feature. Try on cloth. Literally, you can take any clothes you see on the web and input them into Photo AI, and try to own different clothes and styles on your AI. Models. PhotoAI.com is a beautiful website that anyone would actually love to try out, either for personal use or for business purposes. This website will be profitable for fashion companies since it enables them to create their own human-like models. So I know you're already excited and ready to make some money, but how do you even make money off this website? Well, first, all you need to do is come down here where it says frequently asked questions, and there you have it. Do you have an affiliate program? Go ahead, click where it says yes, we do. When you join Photo AI's affiliate program, you receive a 20% commission on payments for all customers you refer. That's a lot, guy. So when someone signs up with your link for the business plan, which costs $299 per month, you will be paid $59 for a job well done. So just imagine you have referred 10 people, so every month you get about $598 just on one product. That's quite a lot, guys, and you get to put this together within a few minutes. And don't worry, I'm going to show you a very simple technique that you're going to use to make money off this website. So you want to stick around. And the next we have here is Hagen. Hagen is a video platform that helps you create engaging business content with generative AI. Like I always say, before you go for any product, you need to understand its features, or rather what its features are. This website made it to my top 5 because I personally use it. And I can tell you for free that this is actually better than the most character-speaking video software out there. And another reason is that the market is open to almost everybody. Hagen can be used for your explainer video, just like this video showing up here, sales or marketing, e-learning, you name it. So the market is not limited in that way, and you can reach out to a wider audience. And the most interesting part is how you get to make money on this platform. They literally pay the most among all the other software I know. To get started, just scroll down to the very bottom and click on the affiliate program. Once you do, it brings you up to this page, and right here you just have to take your time and go through this yourself. This is what you can potentially earn. And the truth is, a lot of people are actually making explainer videos using wacky software. Now you need to come in as a messiah to save them from ruining their careers. I'm damn serious about that. You see, I use Hagen personally, and I can tell you for free that this is the best text to video conversion software because it looks so real that you can hardly tell the difference between the AI speaking and you speaking. So you provide a script, and Hagen will turn it into a video with your human-like avatar speaking to your audience. How cool would that be? Bookmark this website now and let's move on to the next AI tool. Up next is Copy.ai. Just as its name implies, it is a copywriting tool similar to Jasper.ai and the like. Copy AI also offers a similar affiliate program to others, but better. It also offers a set of AI tools for its users, ranging from a chat interface to writing templates and many more. I sometimes use Copy AI for my sales copy, and one of its unique strengths is its ability to create high converting sales letters and email swipes. This website made it to my top 5 because of its simplicity and its payment structure. You get paid on the 1st and 15th of each month. And the most interesting thing is that you earn about 40% of every referral you make to these guys. And to start making money off this website, all you need to do is come to this URL that says affiliate.copy.ai/apply, and then it takes you to a page where you need to apply to be a partner, and for every sale that you make, you get about 40%. At the moment, the current price is about $49 per month, so if you refer 10 people, you get about $222 every month. Up next is TextCortex.com. This website made it to my top 5 for 3 reasons. It offers a 30% lifetime commission, and that's what you should always look for, lifetime commission. Second, it does offer a free account, and that's how people can use it, and when they like it, they go for the paid plan. And lastly, the market is for everybody. TextCortex.com is similar to Grammarly, but more like Wordtune. I personally use Wordtune, and I think TextCortex is actually great. The platform makes it easy to sell because it's a better alternative to other similar platforms. Promoting this offer wasn't hard for me. All I did was make comparisons like TextCortex V's
versus
Wordtune, Grammarly, and the like. So this is good to go software to get started. All you need to do is scroll down and click on Become an Affiliate to start making money. Last but not least is Pictory.ai. Personally, I really love this software, and I also promote the offer, which converts so well. I can literally tell you a lot about this website, but I'm not going to do that. I just want you to know that you can make so much money on this website because it does have irresistible features that everyone would want to try out, and its market is quite large. With just a click, you can actually create a video for your content, so there's no need to scout for footage on the internet. Pictory.com will do that all for you. So this is a very sellable product that everybody would want to subscribe to. The platform even made it easy for both users and partners, as you can always sign up without inputting your credit card. One of the reasons Pictory made it to my top 5 and ranked number 1 is because you earn a recurring commission of up to 50% and you get a lifetime Pictory premium account, plus some other bonuses. That's just so cool to know. It is completely free to try, and they are very transparent when it comes to the payment process. You can see everything right on your dashboard, so take your time to go to their affiliate program section over here and learn more about their program. If you need to get started, all you need to do is scroll down to the very bottom, and where it says Affiliate Partner Program, click on it to get started. So right before we wrap up, I'm going to show you exactly how to start milking money from this platform in the easiest way possible. But before that, please click on the like button if you really enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button to join the community. Here's exactly how you're going to make money off this website. You're going to create social media videos just like this one and structure every single video exactly as I'm about to show you. To get started, all you need is a PC, an iPhone. If you do not want to record in the way I record mine, which can be stressful, all you need to do is go to the website you want to talk about on your PC, then you're going to record with your phone. Once you're on the website, record your screen. Let it be obvious that you are recording your screen. You see this all the time on TikTok, Pinterest. It is actually trending even on Instagram Reels. Now you will need to start with a strong opening hook. Show the URL of the website that you were talking about, just like I showed you guys. Talk about all the major features. Also tell people in your video to click the link in your bio. This will be your affiliate link. Remember to keep it really short because it's a reel. Once you're done, all you need to do is post it on all your social media pages. And whenever someone signs up for the offer through the link in your bio, you will get paid. And that's it. Now, if you want to double up your earnings, you would want to spread out your video across all social media platforms or video sharing platforms. Do not worry, you wouldn't be doing this manually. I understand you will need to optimize the video for each social media platform, and remember that each social media platform has its own formats, So you're going to play smart by using AI to publish your video content across all social platforms using the required aspect ratio. To do this really quickly, add it to this website, repurpose.ai. Get yourself signed in, and you will be brought here. Navigate here, just click here and sign into all the social platforms with just a click. Technically, this is one of the easiest ways to make money online. It doesn't require any investments, nor does it require any on a website or even run ads. It is pretty straightforward, so get your phone to record your PC. You review the website, and once you're done recording, go over to Repurpose. To publish your video across all social media platforms, ensure you have signed up for your affiliate program. If you have multiple affiliate offers, copy all your affiliate links and head over to direct.me to have them generate one unique link that houses all of your links, similar to this. So you can add the generated link to your bio, and whenever someone clicks on that link, it shows up all your affiliate offers, and whenever someone clicks and signs up for an offer, you will be getting paid. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video.